what if I told you there was another way that you can make passive income online instead of doing OnlyFans instead of I hope I got you listening, because I've made the program for busy beginners, busy moms, busy entrepreneurs, or even professionals that have as little time to sit down and work on their business once a month or once a week, because the real niche is you. Now, if you're frustrated with the constant grind of trying to find that one idea that will make your online course or your passive income take off, you're in the right place, because today I'm going to show you how to break free from the usual business playbook and create a course that not only reflects who you are, but also draws in the right audience. Guys, my name is Anthony Scott, the founder of Course Income Accelerator. I also run a full-time creative marketing agency, and as I gain more time back, I'm going to be investing more time into helping students online. However, right now I do have a self-paced option, the cheapest price to change your life. But anyways, this is a program dedicated to helping, like I said, the busy beginners, professionals, the busy moms, build a successful online course business that you love. Now, all without the complex tech of setting up websites, sales funnels, or even becoming an online creator or posting on social media. That's right, you can literally do this in your free time and start collecting passive income from students all around the world. One of the first things that you're told when starting a business is to niche down. But what if I told you that this advice is part of a business trap that keeps you spinning your wheels and just kind of puts you into one niche? And what about people, though? People have more interest than just one niche. Now, granted, yes, you can post about your hobbies, your interest, and I agree, and you should do that. Just like societal expectations can limit our choices, business advice that pushes you toward generic strategies can stifle your creativity and passion. So I've created a complete creative program to help you guys use your creativity and to get paid off your experiences, skills, and passions. Stuff that all interest you, so you can be the niche and you can make passive income. Now, of course, in my program, we turn the conventional wisdom on its head. Instead of chasing trends, we focus on you, your experiences, skills, and passions, because these are the keys to creating an online course business that resonates with your audience. Because the most successful niche is the one that aligns with your authentic self. And that's what I'm here to say. Because some of my content will make tutorials. I will help people, beginners. Let's say I will focus on myself. I will just create the problems that I faced when starting out. And this could be in anything. You don't have to become a creator to use this business model to make money online. That's what makes this so lucrative. So trying to find a fit narrow niche might seem smart, but it actually limits your potential reach. You attract fewer people and your growth is stunted. You naturally draw a wider audience that connects with your unique combination of skills and interests. Now, social media is where you can showcase all sides of your personality and expertise, and I absolutely love this about social media. That genuinely connects with what you offer. Now, this isn't just about gaining followers, it's about building a community of people who trust you and are eager to enroll into your program. Like I said, you don't have to use social media, but I'm using this as an example. Now, picture this, growing from a few thousand to hundreds of thousands of followers, not by sticking to one rigid niche, but by allowing your interest to evolve and show up authentically. This kind of growth happens when you stop boxing yourself in and start leveraging all that makes you, well, you, because it is way more fun to get paid off of stuff you know that you can help a beginner. Maybe you're only a few steps ahead of them, but how awesome is it to leverage what you already have bouncing around in your head to put it down into a small program and to get paid for that over and over and over again? Well, if you thought the sound of this sounds amazing, then welcome to the CourseIncomeAccelerator.com, because it's designed to help you from being a complete beginner to becoming a course creator with a portfolio of profitable courses. Now, we start by helping you discover unique strengths and passions, and then walk you through creating courses that align perfectly with them. Now, of course, I have my own creative marketing agency that I attend to in my day-to-day work. As I start making more content and more sales with this program that's going to help unlock people's income online, I will be able to then offer a group where I can sell it at a higher price point to offer the help that I'm currently teaching and show you that not only am I there, but I'm working the system over and over as I'm teaching and practice what I'm preaching as well. So our phased approach meets you exactly where you are. So it doesn't matter, like I said, busy mom, busy beginner, busy college kid, busy entrepreneur. Let's say you run a couple businesses and you only have time once a month. Well, as a matter of fact, that's all I had time for 14 months, and I still became profitable in a really short amount of time. Now, whether you're just getting started or looking to scale, there's a phase that fits your journey. If you're ready to stop chasing trends and start becoming your own niche, then the Course Income Accelerator, in this case, is for you. This is your opportunity to break free from conventional business strategies and to build a course portfolio that generally reflects who you are. Now, remember, the most profitable and fulfilling business that you can create is one that aligns with your unique identity. Don't limit yourself. Start creating something only you can offer. I look forward to seeing you inside the Course Income Accelerator, and I look forward to helping you help yourself become your own niche. Take care.